Good morning. Kara's going to braid my hair. We're getting ready to go today. Today's gonna suck. It's gonna be raining. Sasquatch is leaving. It's gonna be kind of cold, but we're gonna embrace the suck today and get it done. Ignore my 2 different colored hair ties. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Ryan dropped us off like 20 minutes ago. It was pretty emotional. I don't feel like I can't do it without him, but we both really wanted to kind of experience this together. And so it sucks that he's gone. Tent situation. Me and Kara will be sharing a tent tonight, and up until Ryan gets back on trail, because he will be back. And, you know, it's supposed to rain today. We gotta make it like 9 miles. So we're trying to get that done without getting hypothermia. I am moving terribly slow today. I've only went like 1.2 miles in an hour. Usually I average like 30 minutes a mile. This is a little tough climb right here. I was not expecting that first thing. I'm sitting at this view eating a snack, but this is so gross. Look at it. It's like oily. Ooh. I don't know if I want to eat it. I mean, it still smells like peanut butter. It's fine. Guys, just experienced fall number 1. Oh gosh, help me. It's so hard when the weather's like this. Like, it's so nice outside right now, but it's like I just took my fleece off and I'm cold again. So it's like I can't stay warm, or I can't, like, I guess I should say I can't stay comfortable, but it is what it is, I guess. I'm about a mile and a half away from the top of Trey. It's been pretty gradual so far. I haven't had any issues. I am feeling a little bit of pain in my feet. I'm at Trey Gap waiting on Kara to get up here before I go up because the weather looks like it's about to rain. I've felt good today so far. I mean, I'm completely fine. I'm really liking reading all these comments that y'all are leaving. Like, it's so fun to go and have encouragement and answer questions and all those things. So keep doing that because that's awesome. I love that. So we'll be up at Trey in less than a mile. Hopefully we don't get rained on too bad and we stay dry and warm as much as we can. So I'm fine, but I do miss Ryan a lot right now. I know I've seen him this morning and it shouldn't be like that, but it's just sad that he had to get off. And I'm sad that he doesn't get to do this with me, like this part with me. I mean, he's going to come back and do it on his own, but we've been together for, it'll be 5 years this year. And during that time, I mean, we've spent, the longest time we've spent apart from each other has been like a week. So, but I'm strong, and I know I'm strong, and he's strong, and I know his knee will get better, and he'll be back with me eventually, but it still kind of sucks right now. Kara's here.
Finally!
My hands are frozen.
You gotta get somewhere before.
Look, there's a little birdie. It's snowing. I think he thinks it's food. Hi, little buddy. It is snowing. I'm on top of a mountain and it's snowing. I don't know if you can tell, but it's snowing. It's cold. We think we're gonna stop at Steeltrap Gap.
Before it starts.
Yeah, before it starts raining and getting crazy. That's our plan right now. But we're also freezing, and it's better to be safe than sorry. It is like 1:20 right now, and it's still snowing. We're going to get some water. I'm telling you, we've had all the weather today. All the weather. Like, it's been sunny, it's been hot, it's been cold, it's been in between. It's been snowing. It's like crazy. I think all we have left is rain, and that's coming real soon, it looks like. So we did stop for the night. We are at Steeltrap Gap, and we only did about 7.8 miles today, but we decided that we would rather be warm and safe and not worry about hypothermia rather than just walking to just get some more miles. So we will cover that ground later. Look at all the room in here. There's so much room. It's cold. It's freaking cold. I like how you take your glasses off.
Well, because I don't like my grandma glasses so much, but I have to have them or I can't see.
How are you feeling today, Kara?
I feel good. It's a little cold.
It's still snowing. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's still snowing.
It's fine in the tent. It's when you got to get out to go pee-pees in
Yeah.
your body.
I shouldn't have done that while you were talking. I was like... Hey guys. Chicken that has no flavor tastes like, or smells like cat food. Just to let you know. Literally, it feels like Christmas out here. Look at this. We have to hang our bear bags, and there's really nothing here that I see that we could hang them on that's far away enough. I think in the morning we're going to be living in an igloo. While we had some light, I wanted to say that we'll probably just be in the tent for the rest of the light and then go to sleep. So good night. We'll see you tomorrow.